Are you worried you might be losing out on valuable LinkedIn leads because your profile is out of date? In today's video, I will share all of my best LinkedIn profile tips 2021 for you, plus some real-life examples you can easily apply to your own profile. I will show you how to update your profile in 4 easy steps. And with all of these tips you will get today, you will get noticed by your dream clients and you can ditch LinkedIn shame. And I'll make it really easy for you to let your personality and expertise shine through in every single section of your newly improved LinkedIn personal profile. Stay tuned and I will show you a fun ranking system by LinkedIn so you can get competitive with all of your LinkedIn peers about who's got the highest ranking profile. Plus, for those of you who want to start reaching out to high quality leads straight away, I will reveal how you can use LinkedIn Advanced Search to find the people who are looking for your kind of services right now. You are in for a treat, so keep on watching. Guten Tag, this is Nicole from Wunderstars. I'm a marketing coach for digital agency owners. Every second Monday, I share marketing and social media hacks for time-short agency peeps on my Wunderstars channel. Subscribe now and press the bell to never ever miss a new episode. Now let's go! Before I reveal how you can encourage people to check out your LinkedIn profile, I want to show you first how you can make sure your LinkedIn profile can be found on the platform. Optimize it for search by adding your best search terms and keywords for your target market and your agency services offering throughout the profile, especially in the headline, your about section and skills section. Here's an example for a headline and about section that is packed with keywords. Secondly, once your profile comes up in search, how can you encourage people to check you out on LinkedIn? A good profile is like a conversation opener and your best homepage and sales page in one. It's an attention grabber on adrenaline. Don't be shy about promoting yourself. Show what makes you and your agency different and perhaps even better from your competitors. Show your personality and expertise so that people simply can't help clicking on your profile. I'll tell you a little later in the video how you can do this. The first thing that shows up on the screen is your headline. If you still just have your job title on there, you are losing out on valuable marketing opportunities. In your headline, say how you help your dream clients, but also mention something which shows what makes you different than all your competitors. And because it's meant to be a conversation opener, make it really easy for people to have a talking point. For example, mention a hobby. I want to show you my own tagline and Carl's tagline. Carl is one of my lovely Wunderstars coaching clients and his headline is newly updated and it's packed with keywords. Plus, he highlights that he owns 15 guitars at the time of filming. My own tagline shows who I love working with, it's digital agencies, that I'm a vlogger and that I have a weakness for German bread. Many of you are fantastic designers, so you'll know that the second thing which really grabs people's attention is the use of great images. So your photo needs to be current, approachable, and a really professional looking headshot, but not boring. Plus, upload a banner image that is on brand. You can show off a hobby, your portfolio, or a lead magnet. Use this space to really increase your authority. Here are 2 examples of people who are doing this really well. Dan Knowlton shows he's a regular event speaker, and he's even added that his agency is currently hiring to his profile picture. How cool is that? And here's Imogen Allen, another of my lovely Wunderstars. It's such an approachable photo of her, which amplifies her human approach to website building and content strategy with her fabulous WIF product. And you know, I love purple too, so I simply couldn't resist mentioning her profile. Thirdly, how else can you stand out and show off your expertise to connect with your dream audience? My latest favorite feature for this is the featured section and the media section to show off your authority content and portfolio. Highlight your best bits that are all relevant to your dream clients across these sections. You can add your latest content, any popular posts in the featured section. It will really make your profile stand out in a good way. Before I show you 2 examples for this, I want to invite you to download my 30 days of content inspiration for digital agencies to make it even easier for you to come up with content that sells, engages and shows your expertise. So someone who uses his featured section really well is Vito Pellick. Just look at all these inviting images, you can't help yourself checking this out. Another example is Jennifer Bourne. She has really used every opportunity to show off her stunning website portfolio and added some really relevant volunteering positions. Populate all the sections LinkedIn suggests for you, anything to help you get a 5-star profile. Another relatively new feature is the audio introducer. Seen on this image, it's worth trying out to grab people's attention. I think Dan Noton uses this really well. Another quick tip on writing the text for your profile, whether you update this yourself or get some professional help. LinkedIn is no longer stuffy, so make your tone of voice really approachable and human. I recommend avoiding the third person if you're a one-woman or one-man show. And to make your profile easy on the eye, break up text blocks by using bullet points and add emojis. Tell me in the comments, are you using emojis in your LinkedIn profile right now? And if you need help with updating your LinkedIn text, tell me as well. It's best to use the language of your target market. I can't stand complicated and bloated words on LinkedIn. Definitely avoid being too techy unless you are actually targeting other techies. Pack your text with keywords whilst really writing with people in mind, and include a call to action, perhaps your email address or latest lead magnet download. Before I show you how you can find out how LinkedIn ranks your profile, let me show you how you can easily stay on top of your LinkedIn scheduling and comments. My favorite app for this is Agorapulse, a social media management tool. And if you would like a 2-month free trial, check out the link in the description below. Fourthly, how can you grow your influence and show your expertise with your LinkedIn profile? For me, this is really the next stage in your LinkedIn success journey. I recently shared this with delegates at the Atrium Summit, the GoWP community, and Fix Your Marketing membership. In your content and about section, talk about how you can help your clients, show how you really get their challenges and what transformation they can achieve by working with you. Just imagine, what would your dream clients need to know about you? Then talk about it in your about section. Consider publishing long-form articles that share your story and show off the transformative results you can achieve for your dream clients. Add relevant tips and invite questions to encourage people to comment. Plus, to increase the reach of your content, grow your network using the time-saving tips shown in this vlog on the screen. Earlier, I promised you a fun tool. How do you know how LinkedIn ranks your profile against your peers? Just check out the LinkedIn Social Selling Index. It's really easy to do and is such a good way to track your performance. And if you want to know who's searching for your services right now, watch this vlog. I hope you like this video. Make my day by sharing it and commenting on it. Be sure to check out the popular LinkedIn playlist shown on the screen to help you learn how you can grow your network, what to post, and how to get more LinkedIn leads for your agency. Auf Wiedersehen! See you in the next video!